Daily maintenance. First, check jaw safety to ensure it is operating properly. Use a piece of 3/8-inch plastic tubing to place in the seal area and hit the manual jaw close button to test. When the seal jaw makes contact with the tubing, it should make the seal jaw move to an open position. Second, check the seal bars for buildup. By pushing the heater junction forward, you will extend the seal blades. Wipe seal bar surfaces to remove any buildup. Do not use abrasives or chemicals to clean the seal bar. Use only a soft cloth. Third, check that the air regulators are set correctly based on schematics for your specific machine. Ensure all guard doors are closed. Fourth, check all guard switches by opening and closing each guard door. Make sure they are working properly. The HMI will prompt to show that guard doors are open or have been opened. Lastly, check that the light curtain is functioning properly. Place your hand through the curtain with the seal jaws in the open position. Check that the LED light goes from green to red when you block the beam.